Hello and welcome to the radio SamJoe, Korean edition. Today is October 29th, 2022. Something bad happened today. 154 people were dead in Itaewon, South Korea. Rest in peace to 154 peoples that have died. Microsoft Mary.
Thanks, news anchor Microsoft Sam. Today, 154 people have died on Itaewon, South Korea. Now the South Koreans has to pay the hospital bill thanks to this incident. The non-war South Korean loss has occurred because of this. Now the people in South Korea has to miss them. From people who is for the revolution do not have the revolution started, because Itaewon is not the best option.